Hello folks, welcome back to Primo RV Center here in Ottawa. My name is Dave and we have a brand new 246 RKS with power stabilizer jacks here. We want to do a quick video to show you all the nice features it has on the outside of the trailer. This is a 2023. Nice big windows at the back here with the nice ladder going all the way up for maintenance. We also do offer a backup camera if you're interested. It's $510 install, just ask us. We also have the city water connection and the cable TV hookups here, and your fresh fill here too as well. Now, as you can see, we have the power stabilizer jack in the down position, and then your freshwater drain there. We have our plumbing over here. We do have the aluminum rim package here too as well. They're absolutely beautiful, nice and shiny. And over here we have the hot and cold shower. Now this is really ideal if you're coming back from the beach, sandy feet, or you're like me, a fisherman, and you get to clean your fish outside here. It's really handy just to hit the water and you're not bringing your stinky fish inside. So you get your black flush tank, which is really handy too as well. And we have our front compartment here, which is a pass-through storage. And this unit does come with a table, as you can see there. And it does come with a griddle as well. And then we have the nice LED light strip that goes all the way across. And then we have these little catches here, so those windy days we're not blowing the door down. And over at the front here, we have the power tongue jack. We have the 2 propane tanks with the spare tire, a battery kill switch, and also we have a tire pressure monitor, which is new. We also have this beautiful cap with the integrated windows and the LED lights, bringing a lot of natural light to the trailer. And over on this side here, we have, again, the pass-through storage. So solar panel on the roof, which is a 200-watt panel too as well. Nice and light. So the light is really handy at night when you're looking for your fishing rod or any kind of stuff in the dark. And then we have this huge awning here that covers the door with the LED lights. And then we have the 2 marine speakers for entertainment outside. And over here we have the easy grab handle with the solid steps, getting in and out of the trailer that much easier. This is a beautiful couples unit, a 246 RKS at Primo RV Center. It's a Freedom Express 2023 that we have here. Just give us a quick shout. We'd love to take you through the trailer.